Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, US30 and US100. We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts, the trading targets for the day, the range for the day, where to go long, where to go short and what should be our targets, support and resistance levels we are going to look into. Do watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. As I shared yesterday that market needs a good drop and it has to break. I had re-emphasized more than twice or thrice that it has to break. Market did saw a good break today. Now after that recovered nicely also you can say, but still trading with a good drop, almost close to 1%. Now what is going to happen today? Let's start the day with gold first. Now this is the 4-hour charts for gold. You can clearly see there is a strong support now at 1935. With the support at 1935, it has seen a high here, and from here you can see higher highs, then retracement, then again coming back to this 1950 levels. Now 1950, 1951 is a stronger resistance. I have emphasized yesterday also, this zone is important resistance zone for gold today and for next rise also, but breaking this definitely it may rise towards 1965, 1971 levels. Also now the 4-hour candles has just begun, but bulls are trying to pull it back. Bears are trying to pull it back. Bulls are giving up right now, and if you see it trading below this zone at 1942 specifically, once you see it trading at 1942, you can go short there and expect it to hit 1940 and 1938. These two levels are important. Below that 1935 will come into picture, but this is just on the 4-hour charts. We'll look into what these charts are indicating. Look at this on the broader time frame. See, it is increasingly trading in this upward trending channel. Also look at this. Now I'll be looking forward for it to break this 1935 levels. Only if it breaks 1935 I'll be bearish. Also look at this. See, this is almost forming double top here, and from there probably we can again expect it to drop a bit. This time it can again go back till towards, so if it continues the break, probably this time it can come back till here at 1910 levels, which is going to be a stronger support zone. So breaking 1935 for the day, definitely it will break strongly, and we can see it coming back to 1930, 1925, 1920, these two support levels, and below that it will drop to 1910 levels. So now let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similar is the position here. You can see clearly trading in this upward trending channel with the support at 1935. Now looking upwards, the resistance right now lying at around 1951 levels almost, and with this it is trying to drop. The next support, take a short entry at 1942. I'll give you the trading levels. Just first let's have a look at this analysis. And also on this chart, see, after this rally, rise, retracement, rise, and now probably if it breaks, probably we may see a good break towards 1910 levels. So this is what we can expect. And look at the 2-hour charts. Similar is the story. And on 2-hour charts, see, it is trying to form this channel and trade in this channel. That is why I say breaking here at 1942 you can go short. You can again expect 1940, 1938 and 1935, three support levels. Below that it is going to break heavily on the downside. Looking at the hourly charts, on the hourly charts, similar is the story. Lower highs, higher lows, low and higher highs is what it is forming. It indicating still it is bullish. So any break below, definitely it can try to break strongly. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, on the daily charts too, it has formed a double top here with almost achieving the previous high here, and with this at high, it is trying to take or reverse. Now look at this here on the daily charts also. 1935 and 1930 are the two support levels. Breaking here at 1929, definitely it will break heavily, and that is what we can expect. But only shorting levels or only levels to go short are at 1942 levels or so. It can bounce back from those. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. Looking at the indicators on the daily charts, gold has got a strong support here at 1900 levels, and till the time it remains above 1900, probably we may see it rising. And right now for the day, as I said, 1935 is a very strong support. However, it is trying to squeeze out, and 1935 to 1951, that is the trading zone for the day it is trying to trade in. And stochastic is trading at near to overbought right now, not overbought. It can go into overbought positions. Breaking this zone at 1951 today, we may see a good rise. And RSI again trying to enter into overbought levels, though it is right now near to overbought, not overbought. And look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, the 20 period support and the pivot level both lying at around 1935, and that is why I say 1935 is a very strong support for the day. Breaking this, only one can expect it to drop towards 1930 and then towards 1925. These two levels are very strong support for the day. On the upside, there is a resistance here, 1951, and then 1960 will come into picture. So till the time one can remain long, and yes, it can bounce back again beyond these levels. So trade with caution. And RSI stochastic is comfortable, MACD lines running parallel, and RSI is comfortable. On the 4-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, story is same, stochastic comfortable, MACD lines running parallel, support at 1935, resistance at 1951 and 1955 levels. These two levels are going to be stronger resistance for gold now. And looking at the 2-hour chart, similar is the story. And now let me give you the trading levels for the day. So only long entry for the day for gold is at 1951.5 levels. From here you can take a long and you can expect 1955. This will definitely get achieved. And also, as I said, since today morning I told that go long on gold, that is what precisely has happened. And beyond 1955 we can expect 1961 and 1970. So these are markets, anything is possible. Beyond that 1975, and beyond that sky is the limit. It can go any which ways. But on the flip side, if you have to go short, only levels to go short, let me give you the levels to go short here. One can go short at 1942, expect it to see nearest support at 1940, and then at 1938, and strongest support at 1935. So here till here I will expect it can bounce back again. It is still very much bullish. It can again go back till towards 1951. For the day, the range which you can expect is 1935 to 1951. But once it breaks 1935, it has got sharper moves on the downside. 1930, 1925 and 1920 will come into picture. Below this, it is going to be further wide towards 1910 and 1900. This is going to be the strongest support. It can drop, so take your positions accordingly. I am expecting it to at least come back till towards 1935 before looking forward to a rise, and there is a strong resistance there at around 1951. Beyond that, definitely it will rise towards 1955 and 1961 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Still trading with a bullish bias, and hence for the day 1935 till the time it remains above 1935, one can remain long. And yes, from here you can take a short entry, but you should try to book quick profits before trying to wait for a larger move. So this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at US100. Now this is the 2-hour charts for US100. You can clearly see here is a support at 13800, and this zone at 13800 has provided it a strong. So this zone at 13800 has always provided it a stronger support, and this time also it tried to move out but bounce back again. Now the support is right now lying at around 13880 levels. Till the time it remains above 13880, we can expect, see, once drop, retracement, lower highs, drop, same levels, now trying to go back again. So how high it can go? It can again try to go back till towards 14020, and only once it breaks 14050 I will expect it to act bullish. Rather, you can say 14100. Once it breaks 14100, then only you can expect it to reverse completely, and it will try to achieve 14200 and plus levels. So now let's have a look at the nearby trading levels here. On the 4-hour charts, you can clearly see this is the lower highs here. And yes, even if it tries to achieve 14050, should be a very strong resistance for the day. It can rise till there. And also look at this, the nearest channel here is first resistance 13970 and then 14050. These two resistances will play. Also on the downside, 13880, 13870 levels are very strong support. So only go short if it breaks 13870. Yes, you can go short there. You can expect it to drop. But this is just on 2-hour charts. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can see it is trying to break on the upside but failing to do so. So only once it breaks 3950 this time, you can expect 3970, and then towards on the upside it is definitely going to give you stronger rise towards 14,000 and 14,050 levels. These two levels are going to be strongest resistance. Beyond 14,050 definitely we may see a stronger rise. On the downside, yes, there is a strong support coming into picture at 13,870, 13,880 zone. Breaking 13,870, you can expect it to drop heavily on the downside. So this is one expectation on the hourly charts. Now let's have a look at 3-hour charts. On the 3H candle, you can see one more observation. See, this is still very much trading with this and now taking the support here. So you can see how beautiful the triangle looks like. But yes, any breakout beyond 13,970, 13,980, definitely 14,050 should get achieved, and then beyond that 14,050 it may try to achieve 14,090 levels. So this can be expected. On the downside, breaking 13,870, yes, you can expect it to drop a little towards 13,800 and below levels. Possibly it can break heavily on the downside if it continues to do so. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the formation. And yes, the high at around 14,000 or 13,970 can be expected. First resistance at 13,950, then 13,970-80 zone, and beyond that definitely it will fly high towards 14,000, 14,050, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside towards 14,100. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it has come out of this channel, and this is a bearish channel. Now it is trading with a drop, and there is going to be a stronger resistance at 14,100. Breaking 14,100, we may see it rising towards 14,200, and then sky is the limit. It can try to achieve 14,400. See, these are volatile times. Markets can go either which ways, but yes, we need to find out the stronger resistance level beyond which one can expect it to be bullish. For the day, it appears 14,100 is the level. Beyond that, it can trade higher towards 14,200, 14,400 levels also. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. Now looking at the indicators on the daily chart, here 14,150 levels is going to be a stronger resistance. This is the 20 period moving average, only beyond which one can expect it to rise. So 14,150 is the level beyond which one can expect to remain bullish, and till the time it remains below, probably we may see it trading in this zone. And I think the lows at around 13,750 or 13,770 should not be broken, and on the upside the high at around 14,200 should not be taken. But probable trading zone appears to be within this zone. And now this is on the daily chart, but look at the stochastic and indicators here. Look at the stochastic was overbought, and yesterday I told that market needs to break, and that is what has happened. Now it is looking downwards. So even if it achieves 14,200, probably it can try to break again on the downside. Yes, MACD lines are still green on the daily charts and are running parallel, indicating that yes, still there is strength left in US100 for the rise. On the 4-hour chart, stochastic trading at bottom, MACD lines trading with a sell here. And look at this on the 4-hour charts. Here is the pivot at around 13,900. I had told many a times 13,900 is a stronger support. And now it is failed to go past 13,900 since last 3 candles, but still it is also failing to go past 13,950, which is also, and 13,970, which is also a stronger resistance zone. So now if it goes past 13,950, the first resistance, this is a 50 period average, and beyond this you can expect 13,970-80 zone. Beyond that it will try to hit 14,050 and 14,080. This zone between 14,080 to 14,150, this is a very strong resistance. Beyond 14,150, sky is the limit. It is going to fly high. Remember, beyond 14,150 it is going to fly high towards 14,200, and after that anyway the sky is the limit. Now look at this on the 4-hour charts. We have seen stochastic trading at bottom. We have seen MACD lines are still on sell, and we have seen RSI at comfortable zone here. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at 3-hour charts, stochastic trading at bottom, there is a probable resistance at around 14,050, 14,150. This zone can become a probable hindrance for any upward move. And yes, here you can see the stochastic is downward and in sell and are divergent, indicating probable bearishness. But yes, they are bound to converge. On the 2-hour charts, stochastic looking downwards, but still in a comfortable zone. And see here on the 2-hour charts, the resistance lies at around 14,150 level, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Also, if you see the MACD is running, trying to converge and crossover. So if they crossover, that is a bullish crossover, probably it may rise strongly beyond that. So considering all this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. First, let's have a look at the levels to go long. You can go long once it goes past 13980. You can go long. Remember, today is the NFP data, and probably the data may give it a little boost, and it can drag it to also on the downside. Also, beyond 13980, you can expect it to hit 14020 and 14050. These, so on the upside there are stronger resistance at every nearby levels. 14020 it can reverse back, 14050 it can reverse back. Beyond 14050, 14100 and 14150, these two levels are going to be stronger resistance for US100 today, and 14200. Beyond 14200, definitely it will fly high and sky is the limit. Again it will try to hit 14400 zone, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Probably it can try to hit, if it continues to rise, it can try to hit 14150, 14200 zone, and from there also you can take a short position. You can try to take a short position there, and on the downside take a short entry only at 13865 levels. Below this you can expect it to drop towards 13800. This is going to be a good support, and below that you can again expect it to hit 13780, again a nearest support, and then after that 13720. Below that, sky is the limit, it will try to hit 13600. This time it can show you a good break on the downside. However, I don't expect, I see that probably the low for the day at around 13750, 800 zone, this is what it is already achieved, and I don't expect that it can break this. But these are markets, anything can happen, it can drop heavily on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. First, look at the hourly charts for US30. You can clearly see lower highs here, and yes, if it goes past 33,550, there you can go long. So only long entry is above 33,550, beyond which you can again expect it to rise towards 33,700 levels, and beyond that it will fly high on the upside. So 33,550 appears to be a stronger resistance. On the hourly charts also there is a support coming into picture at 33,400, which is a stronger support, and then here at around 33 480, 470 levels. So these two levels again I will be looking forward to breaking, beyond which beyond 33,400 I will expect it to act little bit bearish. And on the hourly charts, couple of more observation. Here you can see it is right now see rise, then a sharper drop, retracement, lower high. So if it continues to rise here at 33,650 and 33,700, these two levels are going to be important resistance zone. Now looking at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see lower highs, lower lows both achieved, and any breakout beyond here at 33,550, probably we can expect 33,600, and beyond that it will try to hit 33,800 zone again. But it appears right now looking downwards. Also there is a stronger support here at around 33,470 levels, beyond which we can expect 33,400 to provide a stronger support. Looking at 3-hour charts, it is looking downwards and appears it can give you another strong drop. See, it is looking downwards, and below 33,400 it can give you another strong drop, and above 33,550 it can give you strong rise till 33,650, and beyond that it will head towards 33,800 levels. So again 33,800 is going to be a stronger resistance. On the 4-hour chart, see on the 4-hour charts the candle is still red, it has seen a low. Now with this as the support at 33,400, it is looking forward to a rise. Any breakout beyond 33,550, yes, as I said, you can go long for 33,600, 650, 700 and 800 zone. So these levels till 800 are going to be a stronger resistance here for US30 for any further rise. Look, as I shared in the daily charts today morning, 33,900 is a very good strong resistance for the day for US30 to break. Once it breaks 33,900, then it is going to fly high upwards towards 34,200 and 34,300 zone. So it can rise till there. If it breaks past 33,900 tonight, we may see a stronger rise towards 34,200 and then 34,300 zone. So these are wilder times. We can see trading any which ways. only possibility is to preserve our capital by putting the stop loss at cost. This is the best trading strategy. It will work today also if you take an entry at right time and shift your stop losses at right time. Look at the resistance there, the 20 period moving average, giving it a resistance at 34,000. Now this is going to be a stronger resistance. So here you can find that 33,900 definitely it is a stronger resistance, and any breakout beyond 33,900 you can expect it to again go back till towards 34,050. 34,050 is again going to be stronger resistance. Any breakout beyond which definitely it will fly high, else it can continue to drop on the downside. 33,400 is the level. Below 33,400 we can expect a sharper drop, and this time the drop might take it towards 33,000 levels also. This is also very much possible. Also look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, the stochastic is near to overbought levels, and MACD lines are running parallel, almost hand in hand, not indicating bearishness or bullishness. On the 4-hour charts, 33,650. See this zone at 33,650, and here it is the very strong resistance lying out there. So any rise beyond 33,550, go long for 33,650, and beyond 33,650 definitely it will fly towards 33,800 and 34,000 levels possibly, but 33,900 the good resistance lying out there. And on the downside, breaking 33,350 you can expect it to drop sharply. You can expect a good correction over there on the downside. It can take it towards 33,000 levels also. Stay cautious. It can take it towards 33,000 levels also. 4-hour levels, 4-hour charts, stochastic trading at bottom, and MACD lines are wide and divergent, indicating a strong sell or strongly bearish zone right now. On the 3-hour chart, stochastic is comfortable and MACD are wide and divergent, and here is a support at 33,350, and on the upside resistance at around 33,650. In between these 300 points you have to be a little bit cautious. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the story, and stochastic almost trading at near to oversold levels, and MACD lines wide and divergent, RSI comfortable. And I think hourly charts also must tell the same story out here, but it is oversold, and hence we may see a bounce back on the hourly charts. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. Now first let's talk about the long entry or where to buy. You can take a long entry at 33,560. Here you can take a long entry, then expect 33,600 and 650. Rather I will say directly you can expect 33,650 levels here. So beyond this it will try to hit 33,650, and if it breaks 33,650 definitely it will try to hit 33,700 the nearest, and then 33,800. This is going to be a stronger resistance for US30 for any upward move, and then 33,900. Till here one can expect that it is going to drop any point of time, 33,800, 33,900. It can reverse any point of time from there, and but yes, breaking 33,900 it is going to hit 34,050 levels, and beyond that it will fly towards 34,100. Stronger resistance, then sky is the limit. 34,200 will come into picture. Above that it is definitely going to fly. Take your positions accordingly. On the downside, if you see it breaking, if you see it breaking 33,360, you can take a short entry there. 33,300, this is going to be a stronger support. Below 33,300 you can again expect it to hit 33,200, and below that it is going towards 33,000 levels. It can go till there. These are wild volatile times. It can achieve below 33,000 levels also. On the upside, I will expect at least 33,800 to be on charts today before it tries to drop. We may see 33,800 levels, and on the downside 33,300, 33,200 should provide a stronger support for any downward move. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side for the day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any of your trading or trading related queries, reach out to me via Telegram or email. My next batch is starting soon on 14th of March. Be the part of the training. First invest in learning, and then you can reap the benefits throughout your life. Don't try to make money out of the markets, and then because first you will lose and then you will come back and okay boss, now I'll invest in learning, and at that time probably it may not leave you with any money for you to invest in learning. So please act accordingly. Reach out to me for your training or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.